Hello students, you have done a really great job that you wrote so many sentences in simple present tense and finished all your assignments and submitted them to me. Now it's my time for checking, and I have checked all your answer scripts and made a list of common mistakes, some common mistakes. So you please go through the next slide so that you can have a clear picture in your mind about the common mistakes student makes while forming sentences in simple present tense. Okay, in this video I would like to share the answer keys with you of episode 8, that was the class of simple present tense. And in assignment 1 in episode 8 there was an assignment of making sentences with the verbs drink, read, play, sing, walk, type and think. Let us check. Okay, here is a list of correct sentences. You can follow whatever you have written. Check it from here, and if you have written I sing or we sing or you sing or they sing, they are all correct. Okay, but I would like to discuss about the common mistakes. Look at the column beside. This is a column of common mistakes student makes. They often write like I or drink or I am drink or they or play. No, these are all wrong, because drink and play and sing, these are all do type of verbs. It denotes some actions, and are, am, is, these are all be type of verbs. So don't put do type of verbs and be type of verbs. In assignment 2 for primary level of students, there was an assignment of making sentences with the verbs write, cooks, keep, eats, cries and makes. For assignment 2, I have given you some sample sentences I got from you. Yes, these are sentences all made by my students. And let us discuss about the common mistakes. She and her sister writes. Yes, someone wrote like this, that she and her sisters writes. No, writes is, this s is only added when the subject is singular. She and her sister, this is actually a plural subject. So do not add s or es with the verb. Then someone wrote he write. Again it is a mistake, because he writes is the right answer. When he is a singular third person singular number, you have to add an s or es with that. So he writes. Again some students made mistakes like they are keep. No, don't put are before keep. They keep. Children cries. Why should be this children cries? No, children is a plural word, so it should be cry and not cries. Children cry. Okay, got it? Assignment 3. Make sentences for secondary level of students with the verb extinguish, manages, establish, travels, quarrel and destructs. I have given you some list of sample sentences, and now let us discuss about the common mistakes. The fireman extinguish fire. Yes, some of the students wrote like this, but the fireman extinguishes, because fireman is a singular word and third person. Again some students wrote the fireman extinguishes. Why? Fireman is plural, so the correct sentence is the fireman extinguish fire. Okay, then they establishes the truth. The same mistakes again. They and establishes. No, don't put s with they, the plural word. And the opposite some of the students do. They write like he established truth. No, he establishes the truth. Okay, another common mistake students make. They write like Mallika travels in train. No, Mallika travels by train. While you are traveling, by any vehicle, use the preposition by. So by train on foot, by bus on foot. Remember it, okay? Now assignment 4, make sentences with I, my toys, we, tigers, this fan and our house. And this time you have to make sentences with we verbs, am, is, are. Assignment 4, answer keys of assignment 4. Look at the correct sentence column and check yourselves. And regarding the common mistakes, students often write like my toys is green. Toys is plural, so you have to write my toys are new, because toys is plural and are should be put after that. My toys are new. Likewise, we are go to play. This is a very common mistake. Don't put are before go. Only we go. We are go is a wrong answer. We go is a right answer. We go to play. Tigers is hungry is also a same mistake. Tigers are hungry. Tigers is a plural word. And our houses is beautiful. This is again a mistake. Our houses are beautiful. Houses actually is a plural word. So houses are beautiful, or you have to write our house is beautiful, okay? Assignment 5, list of subjects were the police, I, my brother Rajesh, the laptop, they and the headmistress. And the list of verbs was have and has. Let us discuss about the common mistakes again. The Polish have a cap. Students write like this, but the police has a cap, okay? Police is the third person singular number, so has should be attached and not have. Police has a cap. And I have a cats. Why a and cats? No, a means one, that means this is singular, so a cat, or you have to write I have cats. My brother have a storybook. That same mistake. My brother has a storybook. The laptop has many functions. Yes, this is a very common mistake. When you put many in a sentence, be very careful about the noun you are using after many, because there should be a plural noun. The laptop has many functions. Okay, got it? The last assignment was of writing a paragraph about your daily routine. And I have sum up some of the lines I got from my students. And now look at the common mistakes column. Every day I wakes up. Yes, some of my students, primary level students, wrote like I wakes up. I and wakes. No, this is a major mistake. Or at or on the morning. No, always put in before morning. Yes, every day I wake up in the morning. Some of the students even wrote I woke up. W-O-K-E. No, woke is a past tense. So this is not a regular event. Only I wake up in the morning. Okay. Then some of you write like I eat breakfast. Dear students, it is better to write like I take breakfast. Okay, or I take a bath. Yes, I do bath. No, this doesn't sound good. And some of them also write like they bath do. No, they take a bath is okay. I come back from school. Yes, I come back to school means I come back to school from my home. No, I come back from school. That means I return to my home. Okay. So try not to repeat the same mistakes again. Okay. So thank you all.